know you're super excited. You're going to be in this too. Okay, you know what? I'll talk to you about it. It's very exciting. Oh, it's perfect. Exactly as I imagined. The illustrations are awesome. It's beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Well, this version is not for sale, but it is ready to go for sale, I think. Wow, so cool. Want to see it? Eight and a half by 8.5 inches, 34 pages, fully illustrated, rhyming story about polar bear and the UFO. Available for sale this September. Can't believe she almost ate this. Curious critter.